Battle Royale.
He was teetering on the edge of murder, and that one death that you gave him set him over.
He was literally hiding in the corner behind a box.
My favorite is when you kill those people who are hiding. Fucking camper. Talking about. I missed the window, Jesus boys.
Hostile dropping into the area.
I made it.
Your primary objective is to kill them all.
A single gun, huh? This whole floor.
AT mine primed. Taking shots here.
Taking hits.
Man, I thought it was a stun grenade. It was a flash grenade.
Throwing flash.
Again.
I avenged you. His teammates are far.
Found a sniper rifle.
How much money we got? Close. Alright, we got enough. I'll meet Justin to buy.
Oh, so slippery.
Spotted some cash.
It's a spotted dick.
Cash it. Take only what you need.
SMG here.
They take only what you need.
I'm out of mag just now.
Drop on the way.
Marking armor. Field upgrade here.
I marked a dead silent and a another dead silent and armor crate. Do we need armor crate? Should we just drop that over here?
Did we just get shot at from the court?
Maybe.
I think it was just ricochet.
I'm good on armor, but if you guys need it,
I have three
drop it.
plates. I have 3 plates.
I have 0.
I'm dropping it. Or I'll go drop it.
I got sniped from bio. I'll probably need armor now.
Alright. Drop the armor crate if they push us. You fucking asshole.
Got you good, you fucker.
Oh, I would've came and tapped you.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Recon's inbound.
Oh, they're at the edge of the building.
Edge of glory.
Enemy movement.
I fucking hope they push us. I fucking
They have
dare.
multiple teams.
Oh, somebody's pushing. Somebody's pushing.
Oh my fucking god, where did this guy come
Wait,
from?
push us from where? Oh fuck.
That guy came out of
I think we're
nowhere.
dead.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Thank God you're okay, Justin. I got stunned for 10 minutes. I bet he thought you were stunned.
That was fucking scary as shit. I jumped on my goddamn seat.
Heart beating. Heartbeat's
He's ghosted, the guy that killed me. Yeah.
Okay.
There he is right there.
He's ghosted and head daddy.
He's coming up the ladder right now. Yeah.
Teammate drop by. Helipad.
Taking shots here.
Other 2 are decon. One's ground floor next to buy next to decon. Maybe roof of decon.
Enemy.
He's trying to throw it at you?
Yeah, he's up on the roof somewhere.
I think he's down. Yeah, he was.
Moron.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
That guy I killed is definitely a sewer rat.
Last one right here. Check.
Drop headed your way.
Shack, got it.
Found some cash.
Right here.
Broken.
Got him.
Good wipe. I just wasted my daddy. Son of a bitch.
Guy I killed goes, of course he's looking that way.
Closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Damn that.
I slurped up a fucking toad. Of course he's looking that way.
We just fucking ruined that team.
Why is this turning me on?
You want me to stick on your cack?
I have the most weirdest boner.
We used all these fucking deadies, didn't we? Oh, damn, I was gonna grab his fucking throwing knife. They disappeared. You let me have a stick on your cack?
Of course he's looking at me.
Nobody wants to fuck me.
Supply run contract
Oh
identified.
no.
Be advised.
God,
There's
that-
an enemy team hunting.
That's the greatest, to be honest.
Enemy
Why
UAV
me?
overhead.
I haven't done shit this game. Leave me alone.
You don't have long.
So when you finish that mission, just when you finish that mission, I'll get the other one, and we can just double it up. Make sure you have your good gun out that you want. Alright, stay there. I'm gonna grab some other one.
Contract is complete.
You're cleared for higher payouts.
I'm over here.
It might go to jab.
Level-
We'll see.
Level 2, I think they might be chasing me.
Contract's done. Your payout limit has increased.
I think you're good.
Move to the target area.
Good
You don't have
shit. We just
long.
got a bunch of money. And we got two.
Yeah,
Travis, don't buy
like,
stuff there. Don't buy stuff
fuck
there. We
me.
have two sales here.
Too late now.
We need recon here.
I'm buying you a
UAV
munitions
entering
box.
the AO.
Located a bounty contract.
You grabbing that, Joseph? Or somebody?
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Dude on the buy station at prison.
Okay.
Friendly UAV overhead.
One's near zip. He's near zip. Is he gonna take
Oh
it?
my god, Harbor
Be
just
advised,
sniped me.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Check zip.
Gas is moving.
Plugging right
Enemy
here.
soldier incoming.
Dude, Harbor just, I don't know who's hitting me with what, but fucking with me.
No.
Drop them.
2-hole Punisher. Good
Oh
God.
my god, I can't get any harder.
Jesus.
Pool
What are you even mad about?
Punisher.
Remarkable.
I shattered a guy on prison just now.
Slotted a man. I'm level 2.
It's fine.
That's gotta be them. Our bounties.
Our bounties are bounties.
Yeah, yeah.
I have an ammo crate in my pocket for later.
Boy.
Behind or the crate.
One in our building.
One's in our building, I think.
First
Yeah,
floor.
that was a Betty from first floor. Betty first floor.
Trophies
Oh
round.
my god, you just sent it down there.
I'm reloading my AR. Give me a minute.
He's terrible, but he's posted.
Okay. Travis, come upstairs, man. Come upstairs.
Into the area. Watch
Okay.
the skies. Gas is closing
His
in. Relocating
teammates on our
the
roof,
zone.
tin roof.
Yep. I can hear him.
Fire sale is active. Buy station costs are adjusted.
You want me to land on him, beat him to death?
Either one. If he hops down, I'll kill him.
Oh, he's running
So-
over here now.
Location marked. Move.
Where's he at, Justin?
Still on the roof.
He's one shot.
Enemy
Oh my
UAV
God.
overhead.
Did he hop off? Hopped
The
off, right?
jumpy wizard sniped me.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah, he's in like power grid area.
The
I
sniper?
think jumpy wizard might be cheating.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV
Checking
overhead.
my heartbeat again. I still have an ammo crate in my pocket for later.
He's either cheating or he's really
Here,
good.
you wanna give me some cash? I can buy another loadout.
Nice. Just kill them all.
They said we're hacking.
Behind loadout. Behind loadout. And inside the
Contact,
building in a sliver
contact.
aiming through the window of Harbor Building. Thank you.
Pain is
Yeah.
That's my confirm.
Both right there. On my mark.
Movement there. Gas is closing in.
Dropping ammo crate.
Dropping ammo.
Drop me your cash, I'll buy you a loadout for Justin.
Cash going out.
Yeah, that would be most excellenterly.
I got 2 claymores in our building, first floor, and our
In safe
stairwell.
zone. Squad present and correct.
Are
Checking my
both
heartbeat real
guns,
fast.
both of my guns still down there?
Do not know. I'm gonna keep an eye on that loadout. They're gonna
I'll
come back to
check
that
there
loadout,
before I
Travis.
use the
Loadout drop headed your way.
There is your loadout, sir.
Thank you, God bless.
Your butt
Enemy soldier
napkins say.
incoming.
Oh, you found one.
He landed
Oh,
on loadout.
ooh. Oh, gotcha.
Enemy UAV overhead.
That sniper, dude! I need tapping.
I got you. Yeah.
Gas is inbound.
Thank you. He's in that building just chilling.
Yeah, he just has an angle I can't see his glint.
One's pushing at the wall.
Enemy.
I broke him, downed him.
I got all those, sirs.
One's in Harbor. Somebody just jumped into Harbor.
I was so mad. So mad.
Good, fuck that guy.
And he says, I guarantee you're their hack. That's all I heard. Oh, we got Kriegs.
They can aim their gun. Fucking hackers.
9 enemies
I'm using
are
a
still
fucking
active. Hunt
stoner,
them
dude.
down.
Like,
Oh, that's one team.
prison roof. Shattered. One bullet up there.
Checking her building.
Careful, they are sniping. They are
Okay.
sniping.
Watch your head. They gotta hop off roof later. I don't have any plates. Is my issue
I
right
think
now.
I'm gonna go 10 roof.
I just
10 roof
got
seems like a
shot
decent play.
through the wall. I just got shot
that's-
through. Look where I was standing.
Sit tight.
You might get thirsted.
You saw where I was standing, though, right?
Here's 3 plates. Get you full health.
Thank you. Can I get some cash? I'll go buy some plates. Did you see where I
Fly
was
back
standing?
at prison.
Yeah. You can just go straight up wall bang.
Fuck! I can't get it in time. Damn it. All right, we have zone. We have zone.
I'm gonna hold harbor. I'm gonna hold harbor.
Can you unmark that gun over there
Assuming
at
they're still
the
there.
place? Can you unmark that gun, the blue? Thank you.
There's that
Courtyard.
sniper.
Harbor's
Coming out of
dead.
courtyard. Sniper at courtyard.
He's down.
One behind that wall still.
He's down.
At least one behind that wall still. They might be close to us.
He's in armor.
Helipad, helipad, helipad.
Yep,
Helipad.
helipad.
Underneath water tower. Hurt right here.
Down in shit shack.
You should be able to turn this corner.
5 remain.
On my
In
green mark.
shit shack might have gotten up. Nope, last guy. He's outside
Gas
zone.
is
GG's,
inbound.
boys.
Mark
Yeah, he's right here.
safe zone. Got movement.
Can't see shit, so I don't know where he's at.
He's still around my mark. There he goes.
Yeah, he's outside zone still.
So,
Threat.
Primary
he
objective.
says we're hacking.
Good work.
That's 3 times I got accused of hacking.
Everybody's in that hacker mode in this game now.
You got it.
I mean, I understand it. It's just the Krig is just way too good.